Okay, here's a good problem. We want to solve this equation. So we're going to begin by, what should we do first, you think? You really ought to solve this equation. Pause and solve it, or at least think through the next step. Try to stay one step ahead of me. We have a distributive law. We've also got this pesky denominator here. And I'm going to advise that any time you have denominators in an equation, you multiply by a common denominator. You might know that you need to be careful that that common denominator isn't 0. Like if it has x's in it, you have to exclude the x values that make it 0. But in this case, that's not a question. So we multiply both sides by 7. We get 7 times 3 times 4x minus 5. And the parenthesis shouldn't have been there. I got ahead of myself. So let's get rid of that. And then that's going to be plus 7 times 2 times 3x plus 6 over 7. I didn't leave myself much room. 7 times 8 on the right hand side. Now 7 times 3 is 21 times 4x minus 5. 7 divided by 7 is 1. And I think this would have happened a couple of days ago when I didn't get enough sleep one night, but maybe I'm still feeling the effects of that even though I don't really feel it. Seems like what I'm writing is out of sync with what I'm thinking. Okay, anyhow, 7 divided by 7 is 1, so we end up with 2 times the quantity 3x plus 6, and 7 times 8 is 56. Then we multiply through here, we get 84x minus 105 plus 6x plus 12 equals 56. 84x and 6x gives us 90x. Negative 105 and plus 12 gives us negative 93. Here we have 56. And we've simplified the original equation just using the distributive law after multiplying both sides by the common denominator into this equation, which is very, very easy to solve. And we get 90x minus 93 equals 56. We add 93 to both sides, and we get 90x equals 149. So that x is 149 over 90. You can do prime factorizations of 149 and 90, and you'll find that there's nothing in common there. So that what we have here is in lowest terms. So that's the solution to this equation.